we are doing intense abs. So this workout will not be easy, but those abs are going to be on fire after this. It's a quick one, so stay with me. You can do it. I know you can. Let's get started. Right on our mat. Come on down. And we will start with the most basic of the exercises. I'm not saying that that's easy. The legs are going to come up to tabletop. Hands come behind your head. Belly already engaged here. Now you're going to start twisting in those oblique crunches. So twist towards me, down, and away from me. Just alternating side to side here. Down and away. So alternating. Now keep those hips steady. Keep those knees steady here. Drawing your belly button in towards your spine. Feeling that pinch in those obliques. You are going to love this workout. Any of my ab ladies, I know this one is for you. We're going to do 20 total here, 10 on each side. 3 more on each side. Two more each side. Keeping that nice neutral spine here. 1 more each side. Now, you're going to twist it towards me and hold it right here. Now, drop that side that you're twisted towards, drop that toe towards the floor, pull right back up. Down and lift, belly staying flat. Down, pull up. Down and lift. You've got this. Just 10 right here. So if you can lift a little higher, twist a little bit more. Just for 4, just for 3, 2, last one, down through the center. Other side, twist it. Now the foot away from me, drops down to the floor and up. Down. You lift. Keeping the hips steady, engaging that pelvic floor, finding those low abs. 5, 4, come on, 3 more. 2, last one right here. Hold those legs up, down through the center, lift straight to the center, hold it right here with that upper body. Now both legs reach, pull it in. So they're reaching to 45 here. Now 45 is different for everybody. The lower you go, the harder it will be. So feel free to go a little higher today if you need to, no problem. Belly reaching down towards the floor as those legs lengthen out. Again, just here for 10. Here's 2. Last one, hold it right here, hold. Big inhales, long exhales, 15 seconds right here. Maybe lift the head a little higher, maybe lower the legs a little bit more. Breathe through it, you've got this. Hold it for 3, 2, 1, and in. Whew. All right, right back out. You can leave the head down if you need to. Extend the arms out long by your side, maybe lift them up. Now from here, little flutter kicks. Big inhale, big exhale, nice long neck. Again, lower down if you need a little rest for the neck here. Breathe. Big inhales, long exhales. Draw your belly button in deeper towards your spine. Come on, 10 more seconds. You've got this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring it in. Whew. All right, legs straight up towards the sky. Again, you can keep the head down if you need to, or lift up into that ab curl for a little bit more. Legs are straight up. Here we go. Lower those legs and lift. Down and lift. Again, deepening that engagement in the core as those legs lower down. Just 10 are right here. Here's 3, 2, last one, hold the legs there. Now from here, lower the legs, lift and up. All the way down, up and lift. Again, just 10 reverse crunches here, full range. And as you lift it up, as much control as possible.
Belly flattening. 3 more. Woo, I'm shaking. 2 more. Last one. And rest. Whew. Take a quick second here. Find that tug of war stretch. Arms and legs reaching away from each other. Big inhale. Long exhale. All right, now from here, we're gonna hold this position. Arms and legs reaching out long here. We're gonna go into a little suitcase crunch. Everything's gonna come up. You're gonna bounce right on your tailbone and then lower it back down nice and slow. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Come all the way up, hold. And down. All the way up, hold. And down. Core pulling in. And down. Find that balance at the top. Try not to use momentum to get you up. Control that descent. Chest lifted in that suitcase. You've got it. 3 more. Come on, 2 more. Almost there, ladies. We're so close. Last one. Hold it right here. Hands come up. Maybe a little prayer. Maybe they're clasped. You twist. Twist, twist, twist. Hips and knees stay steady. Twisting from the obliques. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Woo! Oh my gosh. My abs are on fire. We're so close. One more exercise. We've got a little side plank crunch here. You can do this. These are tough. This is it. Let's do it. Let's stay strong here. All right, we're gonna find a side plank on our elbow. You can do this on your knee for a little modification if necessary. Otherwise, feet are stacked. Here we go. Find your side plank and hold it. Reach the top arm overhead. Lift that top leg. Here we go. We crunch, reach, crunch, reach. Just 10. You've got it. 5 more. Pull. Feel that pinch. 3 more. 2. Last one. And down. Come on, other side. Finish strong. You can do it. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Crunch and crunch. Stay lifted in that bottom side oblique. 5, 4 more. Come on, pull. 3, 2, last one, and down. Oh my gosh, we did it. You are amazing. I am so, so proud of you. Let's do a little stretch. Stretch out those abs, stretch out those obliques. All right, find a little Z-sit here. Doesn't matter which side, but whichever side the foot is and the back, grab a hold of that shin and then reach over towards that side. Whew. Get a nice stretch in those obliques. Lift up through the chest. Think of shoulders stacked. Bring it down. Now twist towards that leg. Maybe pull on it with both hands. Grow a little taller through your spine. You should feel a nice stretch kind of in the low back, in those obliques on that side. Nice job, ladies. Untwist it, switch sides. Just switch those legs a little bit. Again, you're going towards the leg where the foot is pointing behind you. Hold on to the shin on that side. Reach up and over. Now, if this sitting position is not comfortable for you, feel free to sit your booty up on a pillow or roll up your mat. Come up, switch, and find that little spin and twist towards that leg. Again, you'll feel this in your low back here. It should feel really, really nice. And then bring it back center. Amazing job, ladies. Again, I am so proud of you. This was not easy, but it's quick and you can do anything you put your mind to. I'll see you in the next workout.